Experiencing a black screen, no audio, or software glitches on your Tata Altroz infotainment system? You're not alone. Many users have reported these issues since the car's launch in 2020. The most common issues include black screen problems, audio system failures, software glitches causing system freezes, and connectivity problems with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. These problems often stem from software corruption, hardware failures, electrical issues, memory overload, or temperature-related problems. Start with immediate fixes like a basic system reset. Turn off the vehicle completely, wait a few minutes, and restart to see if the system recovers. For a hard reset, you have two options. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, or disconnect the car battery for 10 minutes, then reconnect and restart the system. Also, inspect the infotainment system fuse, typically rated at 15 amperes. It's located in the dashboard fuse box. Replace it if it appears blown or damaged. If the screen is black, check for loose connections behind the unit and inspect for physical damage. For audio problems, verify speaker connections and test with different audio sources to isolate the issue. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced solutions are needed. The first step is attempting a factory reset through your infotainment system settings menu. If the factory reset isn't accessible or doesn't resolve the issue, visit an authorized Tata service center for professional software updates and hardware diagnosis. Software updates are crucial for system stability. Clearing the system cache through service mode can also resolve performance issues and conflicts. Prevention is key to avoiding future issues. Check for software updates every 6 months. Always turn off the infotainment system before engine shutdown and avoid extreme heat exposure. Watch for warning signs that indicate potential problems: slow system response, intermittent audio cuts, display flickering, connectivity drops, and unusual system sounds. For persistent problems, professional diagnosis at an authorized service center is recommended. Statistics show that 78% of infotainment issues are resolved through software updates, making this the most effective solution.